Hello, so Bitcoin has moved up and I am currently tracking two different scenarios. So the first bullish scenario is counting this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a leading diagonal contracting in a wave 1, ABC 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a lower degree wave 1. Now we're looking for a retracement for wave 2, and then we move up 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, looking for higher prices. The alternative to this, the bearish scenario, is counting this exactly the same, but this time it's a wave A, and then we have ABC in a wave B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a wave C. And afterwards, we are looking for a downside. If this is an ABC like this finished, we are looking to take out this low. If this is an ABC with a W, we're looking for a wave X, then a Y, and then we are looking to take out this low, preferably. So what are the probabilities that we are finished here if we start with that? Here, this move is a bit awkward to count as a WXY, thus lowering the probabilities that this is indeed finished. And also we finished here on a very high amount of volume, which is not very typical. It's not a validation, it's just guidelines. If we take a look at this scenario, this is expecting one more leg up, but in order to do that, we need to count this as a wave A, wave B, and then a wave C. And if we count it like this, then we hit this, the expanded flat wave B invalidation target, which is a very uncommon target for a wave B in expanded flat, thus lowering the probabilities for this. So it's basically a toss-up between if we get one more high or not. But the most important part here is that after this move up, or if we get one more leg up, we are looking for a retracement. And we haven't hit the minimum target for a retracement for a wave 2, which is at 0.382. And it's way more common to have a retracement for a 0.5 or a 0.618 for a wave 2 than it is a 0.382. But this is the minimum target that we are looking for a downside. So if we take a look then at this, the ABC, so this is perfectly viable as well, and this is also suffering from the same, we don't know if we have just one more leg up or if this is done. But this, after we are here, we are looking for downside, if it is a wave X or a wave, if it is a complete ABC. And this is also looking for the 0.382 retracement. So that is very important to keep in mind. And also here, we hit the common target for a wave C. It's not the highest probability target. This is a higher probability for a wave C. And I have here a channel, because a zigzag is very commonly contained within a channel. An impulse is breaking out of this channel with an increased amount of volume. So if we break out of this with a very increased amount of volume, then it's a higher probability impulse move, especially if we have an impulsive structure in the breakout. And if we move beyond this, and especially the 1.618 Fibonacci target as well. So that is something to keep in mind as well. Yeah. So yeah, keep in mind if we are getting one more high, or if this is the high to this retracement. And in the retracement is all the information we need. If the retracement is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, yeah, then it is a higher probability that this is a wave C. Or if we get a deeper wave 2. But nonetheless, they are both sharing the same directional bias that we are moving down. It is, however, possible to count this as a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 3, 4, 4, 5, and so on. But we hit a lot of different uncommon targets here for the 1-2s, which lowers the probabilities for that. So that is not my highest probability count. This has a higher probability. It is still possible for a 1, 2, 1, 2 and then just go, but yeah, it has a lower probability just because of those Fibonacci targets being hit. So yeah, hope it was valuable. If you found this analysis helpful, feel free to subscribe. And you can also find Elliott Wave resources at mellantrading.com. I'll see you in the next one.